Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video and welcome to Christmas with amandaoakince. I really hope you're enjoying the series so far and you're all having a great day. Having said that, if you happen to miss any of the videos from the series, please don't worry, I've linked them all in the description box below in a lovely playlist. So all you have to do is click on the playlist and all the videos will play back to back. So feel free to go ahead and do that after you've watched this one, of course. So today's video is going to be a charity shop haul, a thrift shopping haul. Got quite a few items to show you. These items I've purchased from several different charity shops, including Sue Ryder, British Heart Foundation and the Salvation Army. I can't wait to show you them, so I'm going to get straight into the video. So looking down on the table, I'm going to start with the Salvation Army. Okay, so that's one of my favorites. Okay, so first up from the Salvation Army charity shop, I picked up this bag of raffia natural twine, natural craft stuff. So I'm just going to open up and give you an idea of what I'm talking about. You've got these rolls of raffia in this design, different colours. So you've got natural with the black, then you've got green, white, okay, red and orange. Now I'm going to try and open the red one to show you what we're dealing with here. So look how gorgeous these are. I don't know how many meters. It looks like there could be like maybe 3 meters on each roll, plus a whole roll of natural raffia there. And I got all of this in the Salvation Army charity shop for just £3. And if you can see that there, is it coming up? Anyway, it's not coming up, but I got all of that for £3, which is a real bargain. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use them this time round for Christmas, but definitely going to come in handy for future projects, you know. So yeah, so I've got these. Okay, I'm just going to put them all back in the bag. Okay, so next up, I was saying that I didn't actually own a Christmas mug. On my previous hauls, you probably would have seen that I picked up the penguin mug for Oakley from Poundland. Also got myself a mug from Poundland. But when I popped into the Salvation Army charity shop, I saw this. Now look how cute this little mug is. So I thought this was so gorgeous. It's got like the candy canes for handles. Really nice mug. And this is originally from a company called THRIFT, and it says dots and stripes. So if I can just pan that in and show you, because that could be quite interesting. So yeah, so that's the details on the mug. It was in a gift box, but the box was like a bit broken, so I've discarded off the box. I've just kept the mug. So this is practically brand new for £1.50, so I thought I'd just get that. Okay, so next up was something a bit random and a little bit retro. It's this black and white film for a film camera, analog camera, you know. I got this in there for just £1. Don't know if you can see that again. And this was a definitely must have, you know. I remember me buying this type of film to put in my camera to go and, you know, do some shooting around, you know, London and all sorts. So when I saw this in there, I thought, wow, I had to get this. So that's my special buy on this one. It's black and white Ilford film, HP5 400. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I've got that. Okay, so next up in the Christmas, they had like a whole Christmas section, you know, Christmas decorations. So I found these gift tags in there. These are brand new as well. This is from Paper Chase. So you get a set of gift tags in this like natural craft paper with this gorgeous black ribbon on the ends of them as well. And I've got the whole pack. You get 10 of them in there, just 50p. I know that these are definitely going to come in handy, you know. I mean, these can be used for sort of all year round because they're just plain, natural, and I just like them, you know. So I've got those, 50p, bargain. Okay, so next up I found this pack of coasters in there. These are quite nifty. Again, a little bit retro as well. They're in the shape of the nice or nice biscuits. So on the front it's got on there, if you can see it quite faintly, it's nice to be nice. Okay, so you get a pack of 6 coasters in there, and I've got these for actually £1.50. Brilliant. Okay, so next up I got this tea light candle holder. It's a glass kind of cylinder kind of one, but it's got some little flicks on there, some little designs, silver designs like snowflakes. So for Christmas, again, it's got a hole in that bit there. I think you can actually just string some battery operated lights in there, switch it on, and also have your tea light candles in there as well. And I got this in there for £1.50 also. So I'm probably going to use this as part of my tablescape. You know, it's quite nice, quite elegant, quite simple. Yeah, really like that. So I got that. Okay, so next I found this in there, and I thought this was quite quirky. It says time to drink champagne and dance on the table. With all that's going on, that sounds about right for me on like maybe New Year's Eve, not so much Christmas, but New Year's Eve, you know, take a drink of champagne and then dance on the table. You know, I just thought that was quite fun, quite quirky, quite retro. There was a price tag on the back there. I got this for £1 and it's practically brand new as well. So absolutely loving that. I'm going to put that down in our kitchen actually. So yeah, got that. Okay, so next up, again in the Christmas section, they had like random sheets of wrapping paper. So I thought I can just get these to like use as shredding, you know, to make up the sort of padding for gift sets and so on. These came in at just 10p a sheet. So this one's got like snowflakes on it, silver snowflakes, just folded up like that. So it's a nice good, actually, oh wow, there's actually 2 sheets, 2 good size sheets, very good quality, you know, for just 10p. I've got that one. Yes, I also picked up this one. It's got like calligraphy on it, different slogans for Christmas. So let it snow, peace and joy, have a wonderful time. So I picked up 2 or 3 sheets of these, and these were 10p each as well. Okay, so moving on now to the Sue Ryder charity shop. This little faux Christmas tree behind me was actually from the Sue Ryder charity shop. They had 2 in there towards the end of last year or beginning of this year. I can't remember. Oh my goodness, I think it was even January. The year's just gone so fast. I think it was January. You know, in January everyone's bringing all their Christmas decorations in that they don't want, you know. So yeah, it was January. And these are originally from IKEA. I got both of them for £2 each. I thought definitely gonna have those. Now when I got them, they weren't looking so great, to be fair with you. They weren't looking like this. They were all flat. They didn't look like much, to be fair with you. They looked something like this. But you know, I saw past that and I thought, yeah, this is like a lovely Christmas tree. So they're actually just fold up really nicely, like so, and really good for storage as well. So really good bargain for just £2 each for those. So I got those. Okay, so next up in the Christmas section, also in the Sue Ryder charity shop, this was just a couple of weeks ago that I picked these up. These lovely reindeer tree decorations. So I got these for Oakley's room. When I was doing the DIY, the garland, the clothes peg garland, if you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below as well. I made a garland out of wooden clothes pegs from Poundland. What I was thinking to do was actually just put these wooden reindeers in between each of the actual snowflakes. So I got these in, yeah, so these were from the Sue Ryder charity shop, so I lost my way a bit there. Yeah, so these were from the Sue Ryder charity shop, and these were 20p each, guys. 20p each, brand new, as you can see in the packet. Really lovely. I've just taken one out just to show you guys, and look how gorgeous he is. You know, yes, I picked up 6 of them, so you know, £1.20 for 6 wooden tree decorations. Absolutely amazing. The charity shops are absolutely amazing for Christmas decorations, because come the end of the year, like I do and most people do, go through our Christmas decorations that we don't want. You know, we're not going to use them again, you know, and I just donate them to charity shops. So, you know, some people donate some really nice things like those, and, you know, it's absolutely amazing. So, okay, so next up I got this box, and it's full of ball bells. There's actually 2 of them. Most of the ball bells that are on my Christmas tree are from the charity shop, like I mentioned in my Decorate My Living Room With Me video. So I've got all of these as well. So you can see there's a whole load in there. All of this with the box for £1.50. Absolutely amazing. They look brand new. Plus the ones that I got on my tree downstairs. Absolutely amazing. I'll just take a couple out and show you. Really gorgeous. This one's got like a marbly effect on it. You can see that. Really nice. Then just a standard silver mirror kind of style one. And then the glitter style one. And I think there's one other one. Yep. And then this matte silver one. So I got those. Sorry, those are actually from the Salvation Army charity shop as well. Okay, so next up from Sue Ryder, I picked up these 2 gorgeous candle holders. Now, these are originally from M&S, St Michael's, Marks and Spencer, and they've got a price tag on it of £10. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, just there it says £10. I got the pair of these for £1 each. Now, they're not my colour, but I just like the aesthetics of it. So I'm gonna paint them. I'm gonna paint them or spray paint them white or silver. I think these will look really nice in just white, and I'm probably going to use these as part of my Christmas tablescape. So I absolutely love these, and what a bargain! What a bargain! They're like dumbbells actually. They're like dumbbells. They're quite heavy weighted as well, but I'll just show you like some more detail in there. You see you've got all that detail at the bottom there as well. So amazing value for just £1 each. Brilliant. Okay, so moving on to the British Heart Foundation charity shop. I found this originally a recipe box, but I just absolutely love the polka dots on there. It's got some cards in there that haven't been used. Someone's obviously just got this and haven't used it. It's like a material kind of cover. It's got this cork backing on the bottom to stop it from slipping off your desk or your table or your surface. And yeah, I just got this to put in my office. I can store little bits and bobs in there. Look nice on the shelf as well. So I've got that. And this was just £1. Okay, so also from the British Heart Foundation, I found this wooden star in there. Really lovely wooden stars. Quite a good size as well. Yeah, just got it. And that was just 50p. So the last item that I picked up in the British Heart Foundation, these 2 metal mesh baskets. So I got these for my office. And I got the 2 for just 99p. And if you can see the prices on here, I don't know why this is not working for me, but I'll just take the tag off and maybe do that so you can see. Yeah, there you go, 99p just at the top there for these 2 baskets. And my office does need a little bit of a declutter, before New Year, so these are definitely going to come in handy. That was my last items on this charity shop haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I normally post videos on a weekly basis, lifestyle, motherhood, DIY, all that kind of stuff. But for this December, I've been doing my own series, which is Christmas with amandaoakince. I know quite a few of these items were not quite Christmassy, but I wanted to show you them anyways, because I had them in the bag. I wanted to show you them. I wanted to share them with you. And I didn't really want to wait for New Year to show you them, because I know I'm probably going to get some more stuff that I want to show you as well. Yeah, so I hope you can appreciate that, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Please let me know in the comments below which was your favourite item on this haul. Mine was definitely these candle holders, which I'm going to DIY, change up a little bit, make something out of them. Charity shops are absolutely heaving at the moment, and I find because everyone's sort of on the Christmas shopping thing, they go into like the bigger stores, they're going out of town to do shopping. Your local charity shops can be quite quiet at the minute, so it's nice to go in there and have a little nose around. I find the best times to go in there is in the mornings after I drop Oakley to nursery. It's so peaceful and quiet in there. You can walk around and have a nice time in there looking for some bargains, So yeah, so this was definitely my favourite item on the haul. Please let me know which was your favourite in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. If you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all of you over here. Keep well, stay safe, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.